Greetings, fellow space enthusiasts. Tonight, we embark on an exhilarating journey to our galactic next-door neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. This celestial marvel, also known as Messier 31 or M31, has captivated astronomers and stargazers for centuries. It stands as a testament to the awe-inspiring scale and beauty of our universe. Andromeda is a spiral galaxy, much like our own Milky Way. Imagine a gigantic rotating disk of stars, gas, and dust. That's Andromeda. It's an island universe, home to billions upon billions of stars, many of which might harbor planetary systems of their own. Now let's talk numbers. Andromeda is a cosmic heavyweight, dwarfing our own Milky Way in size. It spans a staggering 220,000 light-years across, making it more than twice the diameter of our galaxy. To put that into perspective, if Andromeda were visible in our night sky with its full size, it would appear 6 times larger than the full moon. But don't worry, Andromeda is a safe distance away. It resides approximately 2.5 million light-years from Earth. That means the light we see from Andromeda today began its journey towards us 2.5 million years ago, back when our early human ancestors were taking their first steps on Earth. Andromeda's mass is estimated to be somewhere between 800 billion and 1.5 trillion times the mass of our Sun. That's a lot of stars, gas, and dark matter packed into one galaxy. The name Andromeda itself is steeped in ancient mythology. In Greek mythology, Andromeda was a beautiful princess, the daughter of King Cepheus and Queen Cassiopeia. As the story goes, Cassiopeia boasted that Andromeda was more beautiful than the Nereids, the sea nymphs. This angered the sea god Poseidon, who sent a monstrous sea creature, Cetus, to ravage the kingdom. To appease Poseidon, Andromeda was chained to a rock as a sacrifice to the monster. However, she was saved from this grim fate by the hero Perseus, who used the severed head of Medusa to turn Cetus to stone. Andromeda and Perseus later married, and their constellation namesakes grace the night sky as a testament to their enduring love story. Our fascination with Andromeda dates back centuries. The earliest recorded observation of the galaxy can be traced back to 964 CE by the Persian astronomer Abd al-Rahman al-Sufi. He described it as a small cloud in his Book of Fixed Stars. Over the centuries, as telescopes improved, our understanding of Andromeda grew. In the 18th century, Charles Messier included it in his famous catalogue of celestial objects as Messier 31 or M31. It wasn't until the early 20th century, however, that the true nature of Andromeda as a separate galaxy beyond our own Milky Way was finally confirmed. One particularly noteworthy event in Andromeda's history was the observation of a supernova in 1885. This stellar explosion, known as S Andromedae, was the first supernova ever observed outside of our own galaxy. It briefly outshone the entire Andromeda Galaxy, highlighting the immense power of these cosmic events. Section 5. When Galaxies Collide, the Inevitable Fate of Andromeda and the Milky Way. Andromeda is not just a static neighbor in space, it's hurtling towards us at a speed of about 68 miles per second, or 110 kilometers per second. This cosmic collision course means that in about 4.5 billion years, Andromeda and the Milky Way are destined to collide in a spectacular cosmic dance. Don't worry though, galactic collisions are more like slow, graceful mergers than catastrophic crashes. Stars are so far apart that individual star collisions are unlikely. However, the gravitational forces at play will distort both galaxies, creating streams of stars and gas and triggering intense bursts of star formation. This merger will ultimately result in the birth of a new, larger elliptical galaxy. Astronomers have even given this future galaxy a name, Milkomeda. Section 6. A celestial entourage, Andromeda's satellite galaxies. Like our own Milky Way, Andromeda is not alone in its corner of the cosmos. It's surrounded by a retinue of smaller dwarf galaxies bound to it by gravity. These satellite galaxies are fascinating objects in their own right, offering insights into galaxy formation and evolution. Two of Andromeda's most prominent satellite galaxies are Messier 32, or M32, and Messier 110, or M110. M32 is a compact elliptical galaxy, thought to be the remnant of a much larger galaxy that was stripped of its outer stars by Andromeda's gravity. M110 is a dwarf elliptical galaxy, and it's one of the largest and brightest of Andromeda's satellites. Section 7. Star birth in the cosmic neighborhood, Andromeda's star formation rate. Stars are constantly being born and dying in galaxies, and Andromeda is no exception. However, when it comes to star formation, Andromeda is a bit of a cosmic underachiever compared to our Milky Way. Astronomers estimate that Andromeda forms stars at a rate of about 1 solar mass per year. In contrast, the Milky Way churns out new stars at a rate of 3 to 4 solar masses per year. This difference in star formation rates is likely due to a number of factors, including the amount of gas and dust available for star formation in each galaxy. Section 8. Embark on a cosmic quest locating Andromeda in the night sky. Ready to catch a glimpse of Andromeda for yourself? On a clear, dark night, away from city lights, you can actually spot this celestial wonder with the naked eye. Look for the constellation Cassiopeia, which looks like a giant W in the sky. Andromeda is located near Cassiopeia, appearing as a faint, fuzzy patch of light. Binoculars or a telescope will enhance the view, revealing more of Andromeda's spiral structure. Section 9. A glimpse into the future. Andromeda's fate and ongoing discoveries. As astronomers continue to study Andromeda with increasingly powerful telescopes, we are constantly learning more about this fascinating galaxy. We are gaining insights into its structure, composition, and evolution. We are also uncovering new details about its history, its future, and its place in the grand cosmic tapestry. Andromeda serves as a reminder of the vastness and wonder of our universe. It beckons us to explore, to question, and to never stop marveling at the celestial wonders that surround us. So keep looking up,